Eloise, tell me what you've been learning about in science.
I've been learning about the human cells.
And what are cells?
They are tiny things.
And what do they make? What do they make up?
They make your body.
All of it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're so small that we did a science project, and we were trying to see cells under a microscope, and we barely saw them because they're so tiny.
That's right. We used dye and we dyed some cells and saw them at 750 magnitude. So, what part of the cell holds the DNA and all the information that makes you you?
The nucleus.
Good. And what part of the cell protects and lets energy in and sends waste out?
The cell membrane.
That's right. And what part of the cell is the trash can of the cell?
The vacuole.
Vacuole. All right. And what part of the cell, what part of the cell makes energy?
The mitochondria.
Good. So how did you learn the parts of the cell? What did you do?
I made Jell-O.
You made a model out of Jell-O.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then the fruit and the what's it called?
Fruit by the foot.
The fruit by the foot ruined it all because we put in the fridge for overnight, and the next day I was scooping it, and then it was all icky.
It didn't end up being a very tasty project, but you learned about cells.
And I gotta eat a lot of marshmallows.
Nice. Can you remember some of the types of tissues that cells make up in the body?
There's the muscle tissue, there's the nervous tissue, there's two more tissues, but I can't remember. And I can't remember it.
There was connective.
Yeah, connective tissue, and then there was
Something else, which we'll review.
yeah.